It's day 7 of Ramadan. Caleb, happy day 7 of Ramadan. Caleb, look. Okay, and we're gonna open another one today of day 7. Wait. A good deed a day. You're gonna say the tasbih 100 times with Mama, and here's a gold coin.
I got 2.
Yay! Finally touched down to Mama's house. I come for like 2 days and I get like this much. It's a big bag. And she's asleep. Cutie. Ramadan going well, Ma? Caleb's playing outside, Papa. You guys are so cute. Papa, you look so young, mashallah. So me and Mama are in the kitchen now, ready to cook iftar.
Yes.
Food. Yes.
And I
Say hi,
look pale.
Mama. She's awake now. Did you have a nice sleep? You do look a little bit ill. Just saying.
Oh, okay. What's wrong here?
Hi. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, what's on the menu today, Mama?
When I started, then I know it.
What do you mean? So you have no idea what you're gonna cook today?
I never plan.
Wow.
Just
Okay.
come to my brain.
Oh wow, you are like a true food magician.
I love his shoes.
These ones,
Yeah.
Zara.
Oh, I want one.
They're really
Exactly same
nice.
as
I do
Kabu.
love them.
Kabu, you dirty one. I wanna break my rosa. I wanna break my
Ew, kind of ew, yeah.
No, like
I'm joking. I love you. She's like, no, PG, just with saliva. Ooh, these are definitely gonna be eaten.
okay. So
Ooh, sour cream thins.
do
you want this, Kay? Mama legit wants me to film in 2 cameras. One do a porto recipe. For those who don't know, me and Mama have another channel, but it's mainly Mama's channel. It's named Mali and Mama.
No, my channel. It's Maliha and my channel.
Okay, yeah, it's mine and Mama's channel. She's done a challenge. She did a cinnamon challenge. I haven't even done a challenge, like ever.
No, but that's
So Mama's beat me to a challenge already.
Okay,
My mama has beat me.
Let
to a
me
challenge.
open door for him. Come on.
Okay, yeah. So check it out anyway. I'll leave it in the description below. It's
Maliha,
a good watch.
Can you go and close the main gate, please?
Okay, yeah. Let's get Papa's slippers. They are the most comfy slippers ever. Me and you play football, is it?
Yeah.
Well, I need to help Sumo cook. That's the one thing that I feel like I'm a little bit delayed in whilst fasting is feeding Caleb. I know it's quite messed up, but I'm like, oh, I need to feed my kid too. He isn't fasting. You gonna help me close the gate? Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Okay, Mama. Coming. I told you, Caleb, I need to help Sumo cook.
No.
Why?
But we are the team.
Yes, we're a team. Yes, baby. Oh, he's so cute. MashaAllah. Hannah's coming in a second, and then you can play with Hannah, okay? Yeah, okay, good.
I'll teach them how to.
Yeah, you teach Hannah then how to play. Mom, I'm back. What do you want me to do? Okay, so Mama's making bhinde.
I'm gonna make bhinde my way.
It is your way because you're making it, baby.
No, but people will say, oh, everybody know how to make bhinde.
Right.
So everybody got their own way of making bhinde.
What's wrong with you? You're hungry.
So by the way, if my nose look big.
Mama, it's okay, it's Ramadan.
No, please.
Allah created your nose, sister.
Yeah, and then people say,
No.
she did Botox and she did that. And
She did Botox. No, she did not do Botox. Yes, baby.
then
Okay,
they say,
she did not do Botox. She been wearing malt serum. That's why her skin,
I do lots
her
of
skin
things
looks
like
amazing.
that.
Just saying, I'm restocking my serum in like 1 week, and I have like only mascara on right now. Look at my skin. Look at my skin. Look at that. Another product is coming out too, so Keep your eyes peeled. Okay. Yeah. Don't be insecure about anyone. You know that you is.
Yes. Well, one of my client, she was a student. She was a student. She's a dentist, qualified dentist. She's an amazing girl, and she asked me if I can practice on you.
Mommy, Mama, Caleb's speaking to you. He said, "What are these? These are lady fingers, Caleb."
Yeah. This is called Bhindi in Pashto.
And in English, it's okra.
No, lady finger.
Lady fingers or okra.
Okay.
You could say lady fingers though,
I didn't
okay?
ignore you, but your mommy was busy talking to me. Okay?
Yeah.
You know when people say, "Oh, your mom look fake."
Who said your mom looks fake?
Yeah, there is a one comments. Your mom look fake.
Don't be saying anything about my mama, okay?
They say, "Oh, your mom is with Botox."
Mama, can I just tell you, people are just really
Let me give
jealous.
No, they're not jealous.
Yes. If they ain't jealous, they're very cruel, and they need to just. They're cruel because they shouldn't.
In my eyes, they're not cruel. They're not jealous. They just go a bit extra time.
Drop the mic. Yeah.
So I do loads of facial myself. I do home remedy. Alhamdulillah, I'm having a laser therapy.
See, the thing with me, I feel like I know, but I feel like you don't need to explain this, but you want to explain this.
No, I need to explain them.
Okay, fine.
You need to educate these people.
Oh, okay, educate them.
Yeah.
Go on.
Because they're like my children age.
Be careful with your fingers, because you're cutting and you're very angry right now. And
I'm no angry. I'm not gonna drag this for long, but I just say one thing.
Okay, I'll let you finish.
I'm a beautician. I do know how to look after my skin. And about filler. So this girl, mashallah, she's amazing. She asked me if she can practice on me. And she practiced on me, which I really don't, like I like it, I love it. But I don't like fake things on me.
Yeah.
So I was not happy. The second day I was not happy and I asked Nafia to dissolve the filler. But Nafia says it's going to be very painful.
And fix your lips because it wasn't done right.
Yeah. So it's look a little bit thing, but just for one time, and I help the girl to practice on me. In my eyes, it's not bad. If you people think filler is haram and things like that, yeah.
But loads of people, the thing about fillers and stuff, I don't have enough knowledge, and I don't think you have enough knowledge as well. But loads of people who have said about fillers, they've kind of said that it isn't haram because it's temporary. It isn't a permanent thing. It's similar to makeup. Temporarily, you look beautiful. When you take it off.
No. But loads of people say makeup is haram.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Loads of people say
I don't have enough. I ain't gonna say anything.
If you put yourself in haram and halal, there is loads of other things which we do, and that's haram. Loads of people say watching TV is haram.
Yeah.
Loads of people say
there's levels. I think
YouTube blogger is haram.
Definitely. I look at Islam Q&A quite a bit, and it said it wasn't haram because it's a temporary thing. But that's my own thing. If you guys think that it's haram, then it's haram, fine.
Then don't do it.
Yeah, then don't do it. Yeah, don't do it. I feel, okay, because they say tell somebody if you think they're doing something incorrectly. But this is social media. You should privately message them.
Let me tell you one thing. Because alhamdulillah, I did not a full ilm, but I did couple of years of ilm. And Rasulullah say, if you see a fault in someone, take them to a side.
That's right.
If you got a proper iman, knife is in my hand. If you got a proper iman, take that person to the side, educate them, tell them, sister or brother, whatever you're doing, and it's in the hadith, in the Quran ayat.
Back up your
But you need
statement.
to give them a proper thing. No, this is haram.
Yeah.
No, you have to have the knowledge.
Because it's embarrassing.
For example, I was asking Maliha to put scarf on. So Maliha said, where is about the scarf? I show her the ayat about the scarf in Surah Nisa.
And
when Allah Ta'ala says to our Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam,
I will inshallah.
Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, ask your women to lower their veil on their face. So if you think this is haram, please educate that person and keep it quiet.
Instead of exposing them.
Yeah. And then, there was three people arguing in that one sentence. which is even more haram.
Yeah.
You invite other people to ruin.
Don't contradict yourself, basically.
Yeah. So basically, 3 people was.
Moving.
Yeah, there was a big conversation. 3 people were like really angry to each other. This is the argument. You invite the argument, and you're gonna pay for the argument.
Ooh.
Honestly.
Be kind.
Be kind.
It doesn't take a lot to be kind. Don't be upset. Love you.
No. I'm not upset. But you know, I'm a mother.
So Mama's rant is now over. You done? You
Yeah.
feel better, babe?
I feel
okay, good. Now to the cooking.
I'm
Right.
gonna teach you
Okay.
how to cook bhindi and
Bhindi is okra, ladyfingers, whatever you want to say.
and gobi.
Gobi is cauliflower, yes.
I wash cauliflower and ladyfinger, and I dry them natural way.
Natural, Mama, there's only one way to dry them. You don't need to get a hairdryer to dry them.
Some people say, oh, can we dry them with a piece of cloth or no?
Please don't use a hairdryer to dry your cauliflower, okay? And don't hang it on the line as well. Just dry it, air dry it. That's what she means.
My bhindi is ready.
Her ladyfingers are ready, yes.
There is loads of way how to cook cauliflower.
Is there
Today
really?
I'm making a very traditional way.
I'll tell you what way I know how to make cauliflower. Just boil it, okay?
No, Maliha's mashallah very good cook.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
Nafia good at
Nafia's
something.
rubbish. Don't cook, please.
No,
I'm playing. Can I tell you what Nafia knows how to make? Do you know potato? She knows how to put a little bit of crushed chili pepper in it, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Nobody can test Nafia's Asian potatoes.
Yeah, that's
they're really
nice.
good. They're really nice.
Really nice. I taught her.
Did you? That's the only thing you taught
made
Nafia how to
my
make.
way.
Great.
So, well, Maliha, I teach you as well.
Yeah, you teach me everything, Mama. I came out of you, okay? That's enough.
Don't say that.
Well, I did.
Okay, bas date kat ka khalas.
No, I did. What are you saying? Mama, people also know how people are made, by the way. Okay, it's getting out of PG-13 right now. I better go check on my kid. Caleb? 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 Where the hell is Caleb? There he is. They're gonna knock and then scare him. Wait. Hi, baby. Hi. No. Someone's gonna go crazy. Don't. Continued with Mama. It's cooking.
I never measure my oil or whatever, but you people can pour for that much. About 1.5 kg because we waste a lot as well.
So 1.5 kg
Yeah.
of ladyfingers
just
with,
half.
I think, half a cup of
Yeah.
oil. Okay, so in the oil, Mama's finely slicing two
Very thin slice, okay.
2 onions.
No, 3.
3. Oh wow.
2 already there. It have to be like that. And make sure use this spoon or wooden spoon. Let that cook.
Yes, Mom.
Sorry.
You gonna stab me, baby?
Okay.
You gonna kill me?
I already cut
Yes.
3 tomatoes.
Yes.
For that many bhindi,
Uh-huh.
I cut 3 tomatoes.
3 tomatoes.
And I already prepared that, so I'm going to use 2 cloves
2 cloves.
for this, okay?
Okay. Do we let this just get brown? How much should this cook?
I'll keep eye on it.
Okay, so now Mama is making the cauliflower gobi, and she's put, how much oil is this, Mama?
About half a cup. Medium size.
Two medium size cauliflower, half cup of oil, and how many onions?
About 3 onions, but
3 onions.
very little.
It might be a bit confusing for you guys, but in the description I'm going to leave the method and the ingredients, so don't worry, okay?
And slowly take it. So my best friend is broken, so I'm going to use the traditional way to
Oh, with the
Fresh garlic, okay.
mortar.
yeah, so this is the traditional way.
What do you call this in Porto? The chatu.
Chatu.
Wow, this is some kind of workout.
But it's doing, and I think the traditional way is more tasty. Make sure all the bubbles go down.
This looks so yummy just now. I could eat just this.
I know it's so tasty.
Good.
Sometimes I just cook that with a chili, green chili, and then that's it. I'm gonna add my garlic on top.
So Mama's mixing the garlic in now.
Oh my god, the smell.
She's dead. Delicious. I know, I just think like people don't have any food.
Yeah, alhamdulillah. Basically I mix all my masala myself, healthy powder, chili powder, black pepper, jeera powder, dhania powder, and there is loads of other things, but I'm gonna share
I'll leave it in the description.
Again, So
very good idea.
Just use one pot instead of using
and 2 tablespoons.
no, just that much. Masala is ready. The reason I told you to don't use another spoon, because look, it won't break things, your ingredient. I don't pour too much salt, because you remember I put some salt in.
Yeah, you did.
Well.
You put it. Oh, so, Mama put some salt in this so it doesn't jump out. So she just put a sprinkle of salt in as well. Basically, I think 1 teaspoon. So just transfer it then to
the slow fire.
So she's getting the garlic and putting it in.
Garlic.
Oh, that sound goes through me.
Yeah, I don't like that sound as well. Wait until the garlic is a little bit brown. So.
Okay, so this one you just add red chili powder, is it?
Because it's 2 cauliflower, that's why I'm putting that much.
Chili powders. Okay.
Dona. Haldi powder mein vacho.
And she just put in 1 tablespoon of turmeric.
Mixed masala, only that much.
So a teaspoon basically of mixed masala. So when the masala completely cooks, which is when?
Yes, it is, look.
Oh, that's cooked
you
through.
Will see, yeah.
Okay, then you add the...
it's from the smell. You find out from the smell.
What is it supposed to smell like?
The smell is like a nice cooked smell.
I don't know what that is, Mom. I don't know.
Don't bring it.
Just give it about 5 minutes, yeah?
No, 5 minutes.
2 minutes.
Literally 2 minutes.
Okay.
1 can. So
this looks so yum.
Yeah.
Again, I could just eat this like this. It looks delicious.
Alhamdulillah.
Papa was telling me that Ramadan is 1 month where Allah said you're just doing it for me.
Yeah.
Like I was like, oh my goodness, that's such a big statement.
Only 1 month.
Only 1 month, and we're still complaining.
We're doing it for Allah.
Doing it for Allah.
Make sure you mix it well. So all your onion, your tomato, your masalas, your garlic go really well. Don't rush that stage, okay?
Okay.
People rush that stage and it tastes really horrible. So
really? So you're supposed to cook this quite a bit?
Quite a bit. This is the
crucial bit.
Yeah.
The crucial bit of the cooking.
So when your bhindi come to that stage, put a little bit fire up, because we don't want like a mushiness, like mushy thing. We want like a greeny, fresh.
Some texture to it.
Yeah. So, and put your fire up, because all your masala is now mixing.
It's done completely.
It's done.
Yummy.
Don't cook too much these bhindi. It's supposed to be a little bit crunchy. So when you put in your pot and lid on the top, it will cook in the steam as well. Okay. So make sure it's not proper cooked.
Hello. Hi everyone. You do look a mess, but it's okay. So now Mama's mixed through the cauliflower.
And make sure slowly stir it, okay?
Okay.
I always sprinkle my salt in the end. Make sure put a little salt, because the thing is, we already put salt in garlic.
Yum. So now cover the
cauliflower with a little bit slow fire, medium fire, and leave it for 5 minutes.
Okay, so Mama's added just a sprinkle, a few of the chilies right now, and just for color, she said. I usually use coriander, but
cook it on high heat now. Okay.
So for how many minutes?
For another 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, I will take it to the bowl.
Okay. Okay, so the gobi cauliflower is done. Now Mama's gonna garnish it with some coriander. So now Mama just put in the coriander in, and this dish is done, guys.